Welcome to the future of copywriting. In 2025, AI-driven technology is revolutionizing how we create content. Let's explore its significance. First up is Writesonic. This powerful tool offers unique features for copywriters, including AI-generated content ideas and templates. Now, let's delve into Jasper AI. This platform is known for its intuitive design and user-friendly functionalities that cater to all writers. When it comes to pricing, both platforms have distinct models. Let's compare and see which offers better value for money. What do real users think? Here are some insightful reviews on both platforms, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Entrepreneurs and marketers can greatly benefit from these tools. Let's discuss effective use cases for maximizing your earnings. Both Writesonic and Jasper AI integrate seamlessly with other platforms, enhancing the copywriting process. Here's what you need to know. Looking towards the future, AI-driven copywriting is set to evolve. Let's explore some expected advancements and what they mean for writers. To maximize profit, here are some best practices for leveraging both Writesonic and Jasper AI effectively in your projects. In conclusion, both Writesonic and Jasper AI offer unique strengths. Depending on your needs, either could be the key to earning money in 2025.